In case you missed it, my new book is now out, titled E-Car, which is the Christian Guide for Manifesting Successful Prayers. To get a copy of my latest book or my previous book, 35 and Married 15 Times, visit our website, www.theprayergang.com. It is my vision to liberate mankind through biblical principles for success in relationships, in finances, in business, and for their spiritual lives. God has laid in my heart the desire to want to assist mankind in understanding why things happen in their lives. And God has given me the necessary understanding and revelation which I cannot keep to myself. For those of you who understand callings, you understand that when you are given a calling, you are given a responsibility to make sure that you serve people with your calling. The Bible says each and every one of you should use whatever gifts you have been given to serve one another. My gift is the gift of writing, the gift of speaking, the gift of coaching, the gift of teaching. And I do this through books, coaching programs, and self-help online courses, which are available on our website, www.theprayergang.com. I don't claim to know it all, but I know enough to help you in whatever area of life where God has given me the necessary understanding. You see, God did not give all understanding to one person. All of us are given a unique set of gifts and understanding on certain matters so that we can serve one another. Visit our website now.